Welcome back to Vision Effect TV, your source for in-depth automotive engineering, spatial design analysis, and global vehicle debuts. Today, we are breaking down a massive milestone in Xiaomi's automotive master plan, the official unveiling and pre-sale kickoff of the all-new Xiaomi SkyNomad N70 Max, arriving at a highly aggressive starting price tag of 259,900 yuan. Make no mistake, this is not a conceptual design study or a futuristic prototype. The SkyNomad N70 Max is a fully production-ready, executive 5-seater extended-range electric vehicle, engineered on Xiaomi's all-new Kunlun architecture and built to dominate the premium crossover segment. Positioned directly alongside its larger 7-seater sibling, the N90, the N70 Max is engineered for drivers who demand long-haul or rev capability, record-breaking battery range, and a high-tech exterior footprint without stepping into a bulky full-size frame. At 259,900 yuan for this top-spec Max trim, Xiaomi is taking direct aim at established, mid-size luxury crossovers. In this exclusive first look, we are dissecting every square millimeter of its exterior design, panel surfacing, active thermal packaging, and visual road presence. Let's jump straight into the details. Up front, the SkyNomad N70 Max projects a commanding, authoritative road presence while maintaining exceptional aerodynamic cleanliness. The headlight assemblies showcase an evolution of Xiaomi's signature geometric Mi LED optics, integrated seamlessly into a wide-body front fascia featuring razor-sharp upper fender lines. Look closer at the lower front bumper assembly, where functional engineering dictates the form. It integrates dynamic active cooling shutters alongside massive trapezoidal air intakes. These active vanes open dynamically at speed or under heavy electrical load to feed ambient airflow directly into the 1.5-liter turbocharged generator and high-voltage thermal management heat exchangers housed under the hood. At the top of the windshield, a cleanly integrated, low-drag roof LiDAR pod sits flush against the roofline, signaling Xiaomi's full-stack autonomous driving sensor array without disrupting the vehicle's drag coefficient. Moving to the side profile, the SkyNomad N70 Max showcases masterfully executed luxury crossover proportions. Stretching 4,960 millimeters in overall length, with an expansive 2,950 millimeter wheelbase, the silhouette strikes an exceptional balance between an upright, space-maximizing cabin structure and clean, drag-reducing body surfaces. A crisp, uninterrupted shoulder line originates from the edge of the front headlight housing, sweeping cleanly across the front fenders, along the beltline and terminating smoothly into the rear light architecture. This continuous character line lowers the visual center of gravity, giving this 5-seater SUV a firmly grounded, athletic stance even while stationary. Notice the painstaking aerodynamic engineering applied across the flanks. Xiaomi has integrated semi-concealed mechanical door handles that sit flush against the sheet metal, reducing localized air turbulence while maintaining mechanical reliability in freezing weather conditions. The side mirrors adopt a specialized floating mount housing, sculpted specifically to channel incoming air around the front side windows, minimizing wind noise at highway speeds while optimizing airflow separation. Filling out the prominent, squared-off wheel arches are massive multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in low-rolling resistance performance tires, giving the N70 Max a broad, planted footprint on the road without sacrificing pure electric efficiency. Now, let's shift our focus to the rear section of the Xiaomi SkyNomad N70 Max, where the exterior design team has executed some of their most sophisticated surface transitions and functional aerodynamic work. Unlike its larger full-size sibling the N90, the N70 features a noticeably shorter, more athletic rear wheel overhang, giving this 5-seater crossover a tighter, more dynamic departure angle that enhances its overall proportions and muscular stance. Aerodynamic V. The rear architecture emphasizes extreme horizontal width and structural stability. Spanning the entire width of the tailgate is a continuous, ultra-slim LED light bar featuring complex, multi-layered internal optical elements. When illuminated, these light modules create a signature three-dimensional glowing effect that makes the N70 instantly recognizable on the highway, seamlessly echoing the front lighting grammar. Above the rear glass, an extended roof spoiler reaches backward to cleanly detach turbulent airflow, working in unison with flush-mounted side aero blades to minimize trailing wake drag. Lower down, the rear bumper is anchored by a precisely sculpted aerodynamic diffuser panel, which manages underbody airflow while protecting the robust mechanical components of the rear YAR-EV drive unit. Every panel crease, shut line, and badge integration across the rear hatch reflects high-precision manufacturing tolerances, proving that Xiaomi has completely mastered mass-production vehicle stamping. So, what is our final visual verdict here at Vision Effect TV? At a starting pre-sale price of 259,900 yuan, the Xiaomi SkyNomad N70 Max delivers a remarkably mature, cohesive, and muscular exterior design. By blending a practical boxy footprint with clean aerodynamic surfacing and upscale lighting tech, Xiaomi has created a production-ready crossover that punches well above its class. Autoevolution. What do you think of Xiaomi's rear styling and overall exterior execution on the new SkyNomad N70 Max? Drop your technical thoughts in the comments below, like this video, subscribe to Vision Effect TV, and hit the bell for more expert automotive engineering breakdowns.